Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to prevent specific contacts from adding you to groups and channels on Telegram Web using your PC. This is part of Telegram's newer privacy updates. It's a great way to stay in control of who can involve you in conversations you didn't ask for. Let's get straight into it. First, open Telegram Web on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu. From there, go into Settings. Inside Settings, find and click on Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram gives you control over who can interact with you and how. Now, scroll until you see the option called Who Can Add Me, and click on it. You'll see a few options here, but to get more control, select My Contacts. This means only people saved in your contacts can add you by default. Right below that, you'll notice an option called Never Allow. This is where the real customization happens. Click on Never Allow, and you'll be able to choose specific contacts that you don't want adding you to groups or channels anymore. Select the users you want to restrict, and once you're done, confirm your selection. That's it.